Hi, welcome to ISTA Networking Soiree InsideTheArea.com, and I am here right now with Ryan Bird. Hi Ryan, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I am wonderful, thank you. Ryan, I understand that you are an actor, is that correct? Excellent, excellent. Now, Ryan, how did you find out about this event tonight?
Well, I actually have a friend who is in the play, I forget the name of it. I'm sorry, what's the name? Oh, The Waiting Room.
The Waiting Room,
Yep.
okay.
And he's the one who sent me the link to it and everything. So.
Don't we love our friends?
Oh,
Excellent. So tell me a little bit about yourself, Ryan. How long have you been in the business? How long have you been acting for?
okay. So, I actually went to school for psychology.
Okay.
I went to UNC Charlotte. When I got out of school, I had a friend that I worked with who told me about an audition for a school in New York that they were doing. I wanted to try it, and when I did, I got really good feedback from the audition and everything. I got into the school, and so I went to the school, and I went there for a year.
Where was this, in New York?
Yep, New York
Okay.
Conservatory for Dramatic Arts.
All right.
And it's a 2-year program. And so, you know, that's what really inspired me to do it when I got such positive feedback from it. So.
Excellent, excellent. Now, do you see any comparisons that you could make between theater and psychology?
Absolutely. I think that psychology kind of teaches you how to deal with people, how to view certain behaviors and being able to recognize certain behaviors and what they mean. You can kind of transform it and make it into something that you actually pull through on stage.
So now, did you do any psychology? Did you actually take patients at any point?
Oh no, actually I didn't. I never went into my major.
Okay, so
afterwards I didn't go into my major. I went with the acting.
Excellent, excellent. So you found out that acting was it for you. This is really your
I
love.
found out that is absolutely what I'm going to do.
Okay, so what have you done so far? Anything that we've heard of? Anything?
I just came out of the school last year.
Okay.
And now I'm starting to get my feet wet. I'm starting to do stage plays. Actually, one of the ladies that's here tonight, Tanisha,
Yes.
actually in one of her plays.
Excellent, I love her.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Oh, she's great.
She sure is.
Excellent right there. Big. She taught me a lot.
Excellent, excellent. So anything coming up that we need to know
Well,
about?
actually, I did just audition for a play.
Okay.
It hasn't been scheduled yet. It's actually a friend of Tanisha's, and she actually suggested me for a part of it.
And what's the name of it? Can we know?
No. Can't say
You
it.
are a
Can't say yet, but just look out for it. I'll update you with that information soon.
Excellent, excellent. Well, you can update us on InsideTheArea.com's website, where we will put all your information and let people know how to find you. Ryan, it was a pleasure to meet you. Thank you so much for being here. And you are InsideTheArea.com. It's the networking soiree.